It's Pranay here from Navi Mumbai. Got to know about Car Cosmic while doing my research about automotive detailing in India. If you want to learn automobile detailing in a clear and thorough manner with honesty, then this is the place in India to be. At Car Cosmic, we have Raj Deshmukh, who has over a decade of experience in professionally detailing cars. And he is the only person who trains you on how to go about it. There's no other people who's trying to pass on knowledge. So what you will learn here is going to be like the real knowledge on detailing cars. So if you're keen to be in the honest automotive detailing business in India, then this is the place to be. As you can see in this video, they have a proper studio in Surat where you get 6 days, complete 6 days from morning till evening to learn all the correct things and unlearn whatever you might have seen on social media. So yeah, I strongly recommend if you want to make a career in automotive detailing or if you just want to learn how to clean your car and make it shiny new, then this course is a must for you. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Wasim Khan. I've come all the way from Mumbai, Andheri, and I came here to learn car detailing from Car Cosmic Academy. Okay, the trainer over here, who is Raj Deshmukh, he's the CEO and the trainer as well. And I would say he's one of the best trainers that you would get in this academy, where you can learn from, with overall experience of more than 10 years that he has. He has immense knowledge, plus he knows what he's teaching. So I would definitely recommend everyone to come over here and learn from his, and take his guidance from Raj sir. Also, there's another trainer whose name is Hardik. He's also well experienced, well knowledgeable. So they all know like what they are teaching you, and plus the infrastructure. If I talk about the infrastructure about this academy, the infrastructure is also very good. They have all the tools and equipment over here where you can get hands-on experience in these 6 days. And what I've learned is very important, and whatever I've learned, I'm going to take along with me, and I'm going to make sure that I apply this in the future. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Gaurav Singh and basically I'm from Punjab, Batinda. So मुझे यहाँ पे 6 दिन हो गए हैं ट्रेनिंग करके कंप्लीट हो गए हैं और यहाँ का जो ट्रेनिंग प्रोसेस है वो वेरी गुड है, बहुत अच्छा है. सो मैं सबको रिकमेंड करूँगा कि आप एक बार आओ, ट्राई करो और सीखो. ये जो 6 दिन है ट्रेनिंग के बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, फुल डिटेल में आपको नॉलेज मिलेगी. थैंकफुल टू राम सर एंड कार कॉस्मिक बेस्ट.
હાય મારું નામ રવિ છે. હું ગોંડલ જાઉં છું, ગોંડલ રાજકોટથી. મારે કાર એસેસરીની શોપ છે. તો મેં એવું એડ કરવા માગું છું કે કાર ડિટેલિંગનું અત્યારે એડિટ કર્યું છે. તેમાં હું ટ્રેનિંગ માટે આવ્યો હતો. તો ટ્રેનિંગમાં બહુ સારી રીતે શીખવાડે છે, પોઈન્ટ ટુ પોઈન્ટ કે કંઈ ડાઉટ રહેવા નથી દેતા. બહુ સારું કામ છે.
Hi, my name is Suraj and I'm from Nepal. Since 9 years I've been living in Australia. जो मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया था तब मैंने कार कॉस्मिक के बारे में सुना था and then I've decided to come here. So जो शुरू में मैं आया था, it's like 1500 travel from my place, so I was unsure about कि ये सब अच्छा होगा नहीं होगा. जब मैं आया तो सब everything is good, the professionalism and the way they learn people about PPF and things. I'm very and the learning is very useful. अच्छा लगा और 6 days की learning but I have confidence that I can be better in life. I would highly recommend people coming from Nepal and other region to join Car Cosmic. It's very useful.
मेरा नाम मोहम्मद फरहान है. मैं यूपी आया था फर्स्ट में. मैं आज सूरत आया हूँ कार कॉस्मिक ट्रेनिंग सेंटर में डिटेलिंग की नॉलेज के लिए. और यहाँ पे मैं 6 दिन का ट्रेनिंग था. मेरा आज पूरा बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. और आजकल बहुत डिटेल में सिखाते हैं, हाथ प्रैक्टिकल करने नहीं पढ़ाते हैं. आपको मौका देते हैं सीखने के लिए, समझाते हैं. और हार्दिक सर भी है, बहुत सपोर्ट किए, स्टाफ